open the window fully open. Fully. Okay, yeah, जवा दियो. Okay, thanks. Hey, great. ये तो चालશે काही नाही. Vata Vyadhi. Whenever we talk about the Vata Vyadhi, two things we commonly patients in the public we see. One is Vata Vyadhi means Lakwa, Pakshagata. Pakshagata means Vata Vyadhi. Case is gone. Generally patient live for 5 years with the treatment. This is the common trend. Another thing, Va means joint stiffness and pain or swelling. These two things we commonly know. But in our concept, what is Pakshagata? We have to know. There are so many different Vata Vyadhis. Out of them related to the mind and body, motor neuron or sensory neurons and function system, everything is included, mainly functions of the body. Now, this disturbs in Pakshagata. In Ayurvedic view, which we have to think or diagnose as a Pakshagata, here the description I am giving. In the last classes we studied about Charaka concept of Ardhita and Pakshagata. He is having very little elaborations, but in Sushruta it is more advanced and more clear what we have to think about Pakshagata. So this class I have taken the reference from Sushruta, and the same is detailed in Ashtanga Sangraha and Ashtanga Laya. Ashtanga Laya little shorter, and with the Dallanga Tika is more clear in this one. See, the pathology is related with Adhogamaha Sa Tiryakgataha, Tiryagaha Dhamanihi and Urdhva, it is in the upper side of the body. Adhogama, from the upper toward the lower side and upper toward the sides. Dhamanihi Urdhva Dehata, in the upper side of the body. Yada Prakupito Atyam Matarishva. See, Prakupita Vata, when traveling this one, the Pakshagata develops. Matarishva is word given. Matarishva means generator of the universe. Matarishva means which is maintaining the body is disturbed. That disturbing that type of Vata. Vata is one. According to its place, its working type, it is having different names and pariyayas. The same way Matarishva pariyaya is given as a creator of the universe. So creator of the body or maintenance. That is disturbed as a opposite side. And Prabhadyate Dhamanihi. This Prakupita Vata enter into the Dhamani. What is Dhamani? That is also in the upper side of the body. Urdhvaga, Adhogama, Tiryagaha. Urdhva there, this happens. And then that when it is affecting one side, the other side is affected. Prakupito Atyartha Matarishva Prabhadyate Tat Anyatara Pakshasya Sandhibandhan Vimochayat. It removes the Sandhibandhana. The holding of the joints or in the Karmendriya become loose. This is one type of flaccidity. Flaccid type of Pakshagata. Hanti Paksham Tamaruhi, it is told as Pakshaghatam Vishubhara. The doctors are telling it is Pakshagata. So, Sandhibandha Vimochana is the main symptom or its Pratyatmika Lakshana. Pakshagata, what is the Pratyatmika Lakshana? Jora is Santapa. Here, Sandhibandha Vimochana, that is in the Pakshagata. Ardhita, Atisankochata, Kutilata, these are the symptoms. According of Charaka and Vishwapura, Yasya Kruttam Chariradhya Akarmanyam Achetanam. What is the symptoms? Developed. That is Akarmanyam, unable to perform the normal work. Achetanam, movement or any halanchana, movements, it is not there. One is Akarmanya, the hand unable to do its grahana. Pada unable to walk, that is Akarmanyata. Achetanam, there is no movements at all. Alpachetanam or Ishat Karmatvam. Akarmanya means not totally, Ishat Karma, very little movements are there. That's livingness. Tata Patati Asunma Api Jahati Anila Peditaha. He may fall down or may die. After falling down, he may die. This more resembles cervical CAD.
Cardiovascular accident.
No. This one. Cerebral vascular
disease.
Accident. This is more related to that one. Cardiac, that is little different. And that is angina, not the one side, the whole body. Here this is cerebrovascular accident, means there may be blood bleeding, more related to the bleeding. And other thrombosis also can develop the same symptoms. We will discuss in the later points. Patati, see, prana, asu means prana. See, akarmanyakam bhavati tada patati. When akarmanya develops, then he falls down. Generally when the patient complains, he falls down, then he was unable to wake up. That means they feel as after the falling down. So they will take very care. The person should not fall down. If fall down, paralysis will occur. It is not so. Actually, paralysis affects, and by that one, patient fall down. When patient is unconscious, achetana, for long time, then patient will die. So, yada acetanam bhavati tada pranun va api jahati. This is the anila peditaha. And again, he is classifying. There are two types of pakshagatas. One is kevala vatajanya, other means with the pitta and kapha. With the pitta, daha, santapa, murcha, syuhu. Daha, santapa and murcha. These three symptoms will appear. Vayo, pitta, samanmite. If there is pitta, now this is only daha and santapa is the same. So what is the difference? Why is telling two? Because daha is peripheral side, outside of the body. Santapa, inside of the body. So these two words are given. Inside or outside or both. Maybe santapa, hotness. Daha, again Krishna is also there, but here it is external, body outside feels hot. Murcha, syncope. Vayu, pitta samanite. And shaitya shotha gurutvani tasmin evam kapavrati. If that is kapha avarana or kapha is there, then shaitya shotha will be there. Shotha, salute. And shaitya, coolness of the extremities or the body. And this is important for Arishta Lakshana. With the pitta and vata, it is very acute condition. With the kapha, comparatively less, shuddha vata, yapya. For this one. Are you clear in this one? Now I will read. And generally even in the MD exam, so Kartiks or Nidana department, they ask Pakshagata, give 20 marks or 10 marks. Generally we will confuse what I have to read, right? Only Ardhita writing is only 5 marks. But including Ardhita, with the comparison, we have to write about the Pakshagata, these topics, which is told in the Ashtanga Hridaya, Ashtanga Sushruta, Ashtanga Sangra and Ashtanga Hridaya. Ashtanga Sangra, Hridaya, Charaka. Sushruta is the main one. These have a detail and it is more clear. So if you write at least this Samprapti, Lakshana and Arishta Lakshana, then it is good. And even in the discussion, we just miss this one. Only writing on the Charaka, it is not complete. Only 5%, 20%, 20%. So we have to study this one. In the outside, if you go, in the Kerala or South, they will more familiar about this one, Sushruta or Ashtanga there, the same one, not the Charaka Ardhita. See, Arishta Lakshana is in Bhava Prakasha, this is told. This is clearly described in the Bhava Prakasha. Shuddhavata hatam paksham kritra sadhyam. Shuddhavata hatam paksham. Only Vata is only there, then Shaitya Guruta will not be there, Daha Santapa Murcha will not be there. And only Achetanatvam and Sandhibandha Vimochana, that will be there. So that is Kashta Sadhya. शुद्धवात हतं पक्षं कृच्छ्रसाध्यं तमं विदुः. And sadhyam anyena sanyuktam. If it is along with the kapha or along with the pitta, it is sadhya. It is sadhya. Actually, with the pitta vata becomes more powerful, more ghataka. But in pakshagata, it is easier to cure because we can remove the avarana easily of the pitta. Not only vata, it is very difficult. According to vata pitta kapha treatment is easy, pitta is little difficult, vata is more difficult. In the same way here, along with the vata along with the pitta and kapha, it is easy to cure. Whereas Shuddha Vata Kashta Sadhya. Asadhyam tu Kshaya Hetukam. Dhatu Kshaya Janita Paksha Gata. That is Asadhyam. Sadhyam Anya Sayuktam. Asadhyam tu Kshaya Hetukam. It is Sushruta Nidana and Bhava Prakasha. Both are described. Dhatu Kshaya Kupito Vata Nimitta Karanam iti Kshaya Hetuka. Rajakshma or any other reason. Shosha or Kshaya, 7 types are there. Any of them, if having Pakshagata, it is difficult. So, lean patient of Pakshagata, difficult to move. And other Lakshanas are there. Garbhini, Sutika, Bala, Vruddha, Kshineshu, and Asrakshaye. Pakshagatam parihare vedana rahito. If there is no pain, then also it is, we cannot treat it. It is where asadhya or arishtarakshana, where garbhini and sutika after the delivery, bala less than age 12, 6, 7 years, less than that, vruddha above 70, and kshineshu, lean body, asrakshaya, if the raktakshaya is there, these are very difficult to cure. Pakshagatam parihare, and also if there is no pain, vedana rahito yadi, we cannot clear it. These are the general concept of Pakshagata. Now treatment, I will general treatment is there, and same treatment, if pitta is there, virechana is given, kapha is there, vamana can be given, and abhyanga, svedana, everything is in the same one. Now it is better to open the door, open it, and ये stop करना, stop करो, पंखा चालू करना.
Start the fan. Start the fan.
No.
Start the fan.
Start the
Stop the AC. तो हवा चला जाएंगे ना. So general treatment is the same as in total. There is specific discussion on Pakshagate Virechana. In that one also they are discussing how to treat a Pakshagata patient. Next class will be more detailed. Now I am taking, I think you have to, up to 1:30 can we take? Okay. Point is the treatment is told Nehanam Sveda Sayuktam Pakshagata Virechana. This is the Chikitsa Sutra, main sutra of the Pakshagata. These things, Snehana we have to do, along with the Snehana, Svedana, Snigdha Sveda, I think we have discussed the last one, and Virechana. These are the 2 points are there, Snigdha Sveda and Virechana. These are the main treatment. By this we can start the treatment. Virechana is one type of Shodhana Chikitsa. This is 2 types, Urdhva Virechana, Adho Virechana, in the same word. This is just Tarka. We are justifying. And Urdhva Virechana, Vamana for Kapha. Still, for Vata Vyadhi, Vamana is not so good because we are removing the Vimarga Gamana. Virechana for Kapha also is convenient and easy to do and can be work even in the Kapha. No Vimarga Harana. In the Vamana it is Vimarga Harana. Virechana is Anuloma. Marga Anusara Harana. Other Virechana is Mala Virechana. So these two are told. Vamana can be done if the patient is having ama and kapha more and it is in the upper side of the body. That also very little done. Still, in Pakshagata patients where Achetana or the Sandhibandha Vimochana is there, generally Vamana is not done. If Kerala they are doing, just observe how they do what they do. The Vamana in Pakshagata. And Virechana it is done. Shuddha Vate, Sramsana, Asthapana are given for Vata Shamana, Vata Shodhana. This is Virechana is Shodhana Chikissa. Vamana, Kapha, Ama Saite, particularly Kapha, in Pitta Virechana, and Shuddha Vata, Asthapana Basti and Mala Sramsana. This is not Mala Virechana. Sramsana can be done by the Palavarta, Pala Draksha, Aragvada, these are can be given. No purgatives, laxatives are used. And Pakshagata, Sa Kapha is Shota Shaitya Gaura Yukta and Sa Ama Praseka Tandra Gaura Yukta. These are the Ama symptoms. Here, Langhana and Shodhana both we can do. And if it is Pitta, Da Santapa Murcha, particular Langhana also can be given. By the Langhana, Ama will digest and Agni will digest the doshas also. So give a light ahara, a lagu ahara or Langhana for short time and then give Shodhana. Here Virechana works in every aspect. Ama, Kapha and Pitta. Even in Ama, if you give Mrudu Virechana or Lagu Virechana, then it will not harm. Ama will reduce. Same time, Kapha will reduce. And it is good for Pitta. If it is only Pitta, give little Madhyama Virechana. Madhyama Virechana will affect. Otherwise, in Pitta, you are giving little Virechana, it will not. And Kevala Vata, Langhana, Shodhana, both are restricted. It may increase the Vata and the patient may worsen the condition. Still, we can give only Asthapana or Basti Chikitsa. So, even in the Basti Chikitsa, the alternately they give Anuvasana, Sneha Basti. By that, Vata Prakopa will not be there. Vata Shodhana, Shamana, simultaneously done by the Basti Chikitsa. Are you clear now? Basti, you can get more details by the other specialists. In my view, Basti is given alternately after removing the main dosha or with the Agni Buddhi, then given this one, Basti. Basti is told as 50% of the treatment in Vata Vyadi. So, Basti can be easily used. Charakavasis master, even in Ashtanga Hridaya, they are more familiar with the Basti. Susita also appreciated it. Dr. Ure at Panchakarma is told. Panchakarma means Shodhana Chikitsa. Out of them, Shodhana Samana simultaneously done and Vata comes. In Rakta Dushti, Kushta, only Shodhana is given. In Vata Vyadi, Basti is the method of choice of the treatment. In that one, Shamana and Shodhana, Basti are given. Asthapana is given the dosha. Anuvasana is given for the shaman of Vata. So this is known as 50% of the treatment in Vata Vyadi.
So why Sramsana, why not Virechana?
Virechana will foster Riktata, increase the Apanamaya Vata, Prakopa. So Vata will get more Prakopa. Mala is Vata Shamaka. Mala ni Balam, Vidbalam. Bala is, it is in the Pakvashaya. Pakvashaya is the root for the Vatas. So if the Mala is not there, Riktata will be there. So Vata will become Prakopa. It is very powerful to travel all the body. So Pakshagata will not be clear. It may increase. So Shuddha Vata, Sramsana is also not suggested. Still, Mala is there, Sramsana can be given. By that, Anuloma of the Vata may be there. To do Anulomana of Vata, Sramsana is used. But Shamana, Shodhana, Vata, that is Bast. Sramsana to make Anulomagati of the Vata.
So Sramsana only in case of Mala. If Mala present, we give Sramsana. Virechana?
No, wait.
I didn't get the logic.
Yeah, this Sramsana is done to make Vata Anulomanagati all the body. because the vata travels throughout the body, Urdhva Deha, Sira, all the body, Tireka or upside, over it is traveling. So this gati should be normalized, Anuloma gati should be there. For that purpose, if needed, Mala Sramsana can be done. Mala, Malinikarana. So some quantity of the Mala is to be, can be removed. It is choice, not compulsory.
But what is the significant difference between, in this case, between Sramsana and Virechana?
Virechana means there is a purgation. Mala pravati will be loose or liquid and it will be more than twice or thrice at a time. That makes more riktata. Mala maximum quantity is removed. So riktata, emptiness will be more. That makes vata prabhava.
So it's like Mridu Virechana, we can
No,
say.
Mridu Virechana is different.
Mridu Virechana and Sramsana, what is the difference?
Sramsana is just shifting the mala out.
Okay, without making him liquid.
Yeah,
Like this.
laxative, just like laxative. Generally nowadays we are using husk, this one, kisapko. That makes Sramsana. And what others can we use? Kola, Draksha. Draksha,
Arak mat karo.
Sramsana, they are clear group. That also given in the less quantity, not bulk. If it is given more quantity, there will be more Sramsana near to Mridu Virechana. Draksha makes Mridu Virechana.
इसबगुल कैसे शास्त्रम
वो बहुत अपना इसमें तरीका नहीं है मॉडर्न ढंग से आजकल वही है और कॉन्स्टिपेशन इज द कॉम्प्लिकेशन विद द पक्षा का शुद्ध वाला देयर वी गिव मतलब समसन अदरवाइज कॉन्स्टिपेशन मेक्स वाटर इट विल कम
It's become like a jelly when you soak the psyllium, isabgul. Then it's become like when you are doing Vishahara Chikitsa, we are saying bulk. This bulk will come out. That means isabgul work. Only physical work.
This is the brain column, magad ng pas. Brain creations. What are the tarka? Tarka makes so many difference in the treatment. If it is right, patient will recover. Otherwise,